4 weeks ago, I decided to make a DIY clove conditioner, and after using half of it, I decided I wanted to try something. You know me, always trying things. So I took the other half and I put it in two different containers. I keep one in my room for the room temperature and the other one in the deep freezer. This was to find out how long I could actually keep the clove conditioner. Let's see how that turned out, then I'll show you the recipe. But before we do that, I want to use this opportunity to say how grateful I am for all the love I received from that 14-day close challenge. I did not expect that at all. I did not expect that at all. I was shocked. It's mind blowing. The video is up to 26,000 views. 26,000 views. And I got like 230 subscribers just from one video. Um, I am so grateful. I know I made a lot of mistakes in that video. I make a lot of mistakes in all my videos, and I want to say thank you for seeing past all my flaws and still wanting to see more from me. I am so grateful. I am so grateful. I put it in water to defrost the ice. These containers are from the black soap I use. I got it from Lady M Shop. She's on Instagram.
A few moments later.
It took about 30 minutes and this is what we are looking like. Let's look at the one I kept at room temperature now. I don't know, I feel like it looks and feels like what I got on day one. What do you think? The one I kept in the deep freezer is not only darker but more fluid. According to Healthline, this might be a freezer burn that can affect the quality in terms of texture, color and flavor. But it is still safe to use if it was frozen properly. Now let me show you how I make it. This time around I did not use cloves from our kitchen. I am trying to be responsible now. I bought this for 500 francs at Yaoundé Acacia opposite MTN. And like the last time, I used 2 tablespoons to which I added a glass of water that I let sit for 2 days. After the 14-day clove challenge, I could not bring myself to throw the cloves away. I knew I could still squeeze something out of them. So even though I am not a DIY person, I did this. I was not planning to make this again, but I said to myself, instead of assuming that this is going to get bad after 2 days, why not actually test it? It is very important to strain it. You don't want particles in your hair. I used 2 tablespoons of the elvive conditioner and the same quantity of the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. I don't know if this is a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner, but it does not really matter to me because I only use one of them on my wash days to detangle my hair. I love how brown it looks. It means the clothes are actually present. Then the texture of it gives my hair a good sleep. I am going to use this like 2 or 3 times. I think I found my best hair growth ingredient. I just love cloves. It is not only cheap, it is accessible and I can make DIY from it. I wash my hair in twists. So I apply this one section at a time. I generally let it sit for up to an hour. I don't always have an hour to deep condition my hair, but when I do have the time, I do it for an hour. Take the time to massage it all through the length of your hair. That is how you get all the benefits of deep conditioning. Massage it well. Like I said earlier, I use it to detangle my hair. Then I wash it out with cold water. You can add honey or aloe vera juice if you want to, but do not add it and keep. It can make the conditioner get bad sooner. That is all I have for you today. Things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Take care. Bye.